Good morning guys! We are on St. Augustine Church, Gubat, Sorsogon. Today is April 17, 2025. Visita Iglesia. So, dito na kami ngayon, ika-third church. Oh, ayan kami, family loggia. Yan ang aming service. Ano Noy? May diferensya o mapabomba lang? Wala naman, hindi naman flat. Oh, yan ang restroom, yan ang church, St. Augustine Church. We are on the middle of the farm. Ang ganda guys. Tingnan natin. Diba? Ang dami ngayon na nag-visit ng church. Okay guys, see you inside the church.